are doing these trade fairs to strengthen the economic sector. Hanlaang tak na ipakita tayo, tinabak ng kultura tayo, but haan lang nga pagpabuya, but it is rather a coordinated efforts among all sectors to help in the attainment of the goals of the ambition natin 2014. Tanong matulungan tayo, dagiti producers tayo, makasayandan nga problema ni Apo Gobyerno. Kat no, dumakdak ka da pa agin improve da, ag-employ da pa kita do mga tattao, makasayan manen ulit at problema ni Apo Gobyerno, and all of us will prosper.
Ito ay agro-fair, paisuan every year. Ito ay simang patikok. Kung taon manager na develop, at ito met ayon ang maid naat si DTI ito o dyan taon matikok sa omit si produkto process. So nga, datulat ko nga di-expand tao, i-improve tao ng processing, tapos na ang competition. Yeah, then na ang production to agriculture.
The importance of a farmer, therefore, is the importance of the food you feed yourself and your family. As responsible citizens and compassionate human beings, it becomes our duty to support them as they lay the foundation of our society. Farmers shape our world. Now let us shape theirs in reciprocate to their heroism and the direly needed contribution for the welfare of all. It is a great privilege for them to be provided with means that will give them the opportunity to raise income in this endeavor, the 2024 Agro-Tourism and Industrial Trade Fair.